हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू फिल्मी मंत्रा। और आज हम बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट के साथ हैं। इनफैक्ट हम उस गेस्ट के घर पर ही हैं एंड हर नेम इज़ कायरा दत्त। Hi Kyra, welcome to Filmy Mantra.
Thank you.
So Kyra, I just wanted to know, like, first of all, thank you so much for inviting us here. And so yeah, as we know that you are doing a movie with Puri Jagannath. So
Yes.
what is your experience and like how it's been going?
Well, the experience is just fabulous because Puri sir is considered God in Telugu films. This is my first Telugu film and I think I'm so lucky to be working with him because I feel every newcomer who wants a boost in their career or wants to do something big in South, they all look forward to working with Puri sir, and I think it's a great opportunity for me. I'm really looking forward to the film. The hero of our film is Balakrishna sir. This is his 101st film, so it's a really, really big deal. There's a lot of excitement and energy on the set, and I think it's great to just be a part of this film. Yeah, I'm so happy about it.
Okay, so Kyra, when is the movie releasing? Like when are we?
Well, we're still shooting for it, so I mean, I'm going back for my second schedule now in July, but everything's going really fast, so I'm hoping it's going to release very soon. And we already have a release date, but I can't let it out. It's going to be within a few months.
Okay, and what about Bollywood projects? Like what are your upcoming projects here?
Well, there is something that I'm working on. As soon as I finish my schedule for my Telugu film, I'm coming back and I'm starting my third project in Bollywood, which I can't disclose right now, but you're going to get a very surprise announcement soon.
But again, we are waiting for Triple X as well, Kyra. So what's happening with Triple X?
Well, honestly, I don't know myself what's happening with it. We shot the film a while ago and, it's looking great because I've seen the film. I think I'm the only person who's seen the film. But I don't know yet what they're planning to do with the film. As soon as I come to know, I swear and I promise I'm going to let you know.
Kyra, I have 3 pictures of you. Like, मैंने बहुत कोशिश करी कि बहुत आपकी embarrassing pictures निकालूं. But all I could find is these 3 pictures.
Okay.
So you have to explain the pictures, okay? So one is this.
Yeah, this is me trying to be a rock star.
With yellow Red Bulls. That was like pretty exciting to see, like yellow.
And blue aviators, quite a blinky picture. This is where you find these from.
Okay. The second picture. You have to explain, Kyra.
Well, this is from my Snapchat and this is me in my room where I'm wearing my chashma. I'm a little chashmish in my t-shirt and it says, "Hey lover." So this is for all you people out there. Hey lovers.
Now we have this last picture, which is like, I find this picture super sexy.
Oh god, this is such memories. This is from my film Triple X. This is actually behind the scenes where I'm in my van wearing my costume and I put a little devil horn on it because I look like an angel but I'm actually a devil. Yeah.
So I see a lot of books here, Kyra. So you like reading?
I do actually. I'm not a very avid reader, but whenever I get the time, I do read. Yeah, I do.
And who's your favorite author?
Paulo Coelho, undoubtedly, and I have most of his books. The first book of his that I ever read was The Alchemist. That changed my life. But my favorite Paulo Coelho book ever is Brida. This is my Bob Dylan scrapbook that I found in the book fair in Kolkata. And this is quite an interesting book because there's some lovely stories about how Bob Dylan was the first person who made the Beatles smoke their first joint. There's stuff where you can see Bob Dylan's handwriting.
Wow.
These are his handwriting, and this is when he used to write his lyrics, and that's how he scratched it and how he wrote it again. So this is a very, very cool book. If anybody loves Bob Dylan, they'd actually love to have this book. There's pictures,
Treasure for.
there's tickets to his concert. So there's a lot of cool stuff. It's a great book to actually just play around with.
I see a very interesting book here which says spiritual sex. So I would like.
I have a couple of embarrassing books in my little library.
But it's
so
like, this is like spiritual sex. Like, it's actually very appealing. Like, it sounds like nice. I would.
It's a little handbook on spiritual sex. So yeah.
Nice. And which is your favorite movie?
All-time favorite movie? Oh, there's so many, but I love Gladiator. I think it's one of the best films ever made, you know. Be it the direction, the screenplay. It's a perfect film. There's nothing that you want to change in it. I like Pretty Woman, and I like Madagascar, and I like watching cartoons actually now that I think of it. I loved The Lion King also when I was a little girl. Yeah.
So Kyra, Instagram or Facebook?
Instagram.
Okay, and how long does it take you to scroll through Insta before giving up?
You know, I quite enjoy in my free time to actually go through Instagram, you know, and it's a great way to connect with my fans and with people, you know, because there's some people who've been following me for such a long time and commenting on all my pictures that I feel I kind of know them. So I really look forward to at the end of my day to come back and see, you know, how many likes I've got or who are the people who've commented in my pictures and reading those comments. So I quite enjoying it. I'm never bored of it.
Great. Granny pants or thongs?
Come on. Thongs.
Okay, which movie had best word of mouth after PK? Like, according to you?
I think Dangal.
Do you dance in shower?
I can't believe I'm answering this, but yeah, I do. I even sing in the shower.
Okay, great. So like you have a mirror in front of like the thing and then you see your dance moves?
No, itna bhi nahi. I don't have a mirror and all of that, but yeah, I'm in my own world in the shower. You know, I take a 1-hour bath, by the way. I just love the shower.
Before that, describe the perfect kiss in 3 words.
Perfect kiss. Only 3 words.
Yeah.
Intimate, soft, and why 3 words only? Yeah? With someone that I love.
Perfect. Okay, so a small Tinder round for Salman Khan, swipe right or left?
I'm sorry, I've never been on Tinder. So right means yes or left means yes?
Right means yes.
Okay, so if I swipe right means yes. Definitely right for Salman.
Yeah. Shahrukh?
Right.
Amir?
Left.
Okay. Great. So all the 3 Khans are done. And yeah. So I want to see your wardrobe. Like you have a beautiful wardrobe. So
Sure, come on in. अब मैं आपके सामने पेश करने वाली हूँ My Precious Wardrobe. Come on in. Well, firstly, let me introduce you to my cute little walk-in closet that I have. So, what do you want to know?
like the most precious, like जिसके बिना मतलब ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा सब कुछ.
जिसके बिना ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा. वैसे तो I think I'm a shopaholic, and you know I'm a hoarder. I buy things and I keep like storing things, and everything I love in my wardrobe. Yeah, I have an obsession for shoes and bags, so I can show you a bit of my bags here. There's one bag that I recently bought. It's a Moschino, and I really love it because it's got a little love written on it.
Spread love.
It's very cute. So this is one of my favorite buys of late recently. Then another extravagant buy that I had was, okay, here it is. It's these jeans that I bought from Barman, because Barman is such a rage right now in the fashion industry. So yeah, they cost me a bomb, but they fit me like a dream, and I love them. So this is another very special buy for me. And oh, there's something very cute. These are my little mini ears, which I can not wear and go anywhere, but I still like it because I bought it in Disneyland.
And what's the biggest shopping mistake you've ever?
Sorry, not so fancy after all.
So your favorite dress, Kyra?
I love dresses, and there's one I actually love bling.
And actually, I see a lot of like beautiful colors, like you know, it's all colorful.
This is a very cute little dress that I have, and it says, "I only accept apologies in cash." I really do. I really do. So that's one of my blingy favorite dresses, and I think that's my wardrobe. The rest of it is a secret.
आप बहुत अच्छा खाना भी बनाते हो, like
हाँ जी,
proper
बिल्कुल.
Bengali खाना.
Bengali food is my speciality, but I love cooking.
इनफैक्ट मैंने आपकी फोटो भी देखी थी फेसबुक में, यू कुकिंग समथिंग एंड यू नो इट्स वेरी नाइस क्यूट पिक्चर लाइक आई डोंट नो बट
Yeah, that was more like posing cooking, but no, I really enjoy cooking a lot.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट चाय बॉन्ग्स? तो चाय भी बहुत अच्छी कुल्लड़ में पीते हैं एकदम।
आज फिल्मी मंत्रा से सिफारिश आई है कि मैं आपके लिए चाय बनाऊं, तो that is the simplest thing that I can do right now. So I'm going to make some tea for you.
Lovely. And तब तक हम थोड़ी सी बात भी कर रहे हैं। I can see your diet chart here.
Yes.
So which says आप सुबह उठते ही सबसे पहले 2 glasses of lukewarm water पीते हो।
To be very honest, I think sometimes I sleep that.
So like is it helpful?
It really is, you know, because I feel diet is the most important part of like, you know, having a healthy body, because exercise आप करते ही हो, but if you don't follow a healthy diet, then there's no point, you know, because and diet doesn't mean starving, huh? I don't believe in starving and anything of that sort. I believe you should eat healthy and eat right.
But I really like your diet chart because it has like everything. It has like, you know, proper roti, dal, chawal, है ना?
That is because मैं खाती पीती घर की लड़की हूँ, you know. I love my
Slightly it has pulao, biryani also.
No,
Bracket
that is not true. That is not true.
Pulao and biryani in the bracket.
I wish I love biryani. काश मैं बिरयानी खा के like I could be thin.
Yeah. So which is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Favorite dish?
I think biryani. Junk food? Pizza and biryani. I love pizza and biryani.
Okay. Favorite drink?
Alcoholic. I'm not much of a drinker, quite honestly. The only thing that's alcoholic that I sometimes drink is a glass of red wine. But otherwise, I love tea, green tea.
So what's your favorite slang in Bengali?
I don't even know what my favorite slang is in Bengali. Something my mom used to call me, I'm sure. You know, she used to keep calling me boka, ulluk, patha, you know, pathar bacha. These are like normal general things that moms like, you know, call their children with a lot of love.
Yeah. And slang in Marathi?
The only few words that I've learned, unfortunately, in Marathi in Bombay is kaisala, katka, kanda, batata, because of my maid. That's all that I've learned in Marathi. I'm so sorry.
Okay. And so, do you know any other language, like some languages?
Yeah, I have been learning Spanish.
Can you say something in Spanish?
In Spanish?
Yeah. Something
Okay,
sexy.
let me try. I'm gonna say something in Spanish. Hola, mucho gusto. Me llamo Kyra. ¿Cómo te llamas? What else?
Nice. Okay.
I also know perdone and no hablo muy bien español. Hablo solo English. Which means I don't speak Spanish very fluently, but I speak better English.
Wow.
My Spanish is perfect.
You look also a little Spanish while
Do I?
talking to you. Okay, so how many times, like, how many people you fall in love with?
I'm a hopeless romantic. मैं प्यार में पड़ जाती हूँ. You know, I just can't help myself. No, but I don't think I've been in love for a while. I've not had a boyfriend for a while. I wonder what's wrong. Anybody out there?
Okay. So most hilarious rumor you have heard about yourself? आज तक.
Most weird rumor I've heard about myself.
Yeah.
Many actually. It really surprised me where they're all coming from. You know.
So like the most hilarious one, like I'm sure अभी तक आपका तो आया नहीं Kyra Dutt.
You know, somebody told me on I think Twitter that आप अपने आप को गोरी क्यों दिखाना चाहती हो? आप हमेशा अपने फोटोग्राफ्स फोटोशॉप करके अपने आप को गोरी क्यों दिखाना चाहती हो? Well, dude, this is my skin tone. I am fair. I don't like try or pretend to be fair, and I wish I was darker. I have an obsession with tanning. I love getting that olive skin tone. So that was very weird. What I heard about myself. कि मैं अपने आप को गोरी दिखाना चाहती हूँ.
मतलब like that fake fairness.
Fake fair and all of that, you know.
Okay. And what do you think, like अभी just because we started, like you know, you started telling like just because ऐसा rumor था तो आपको क्या लग रहा है? जैसे अभी बहुत सारे कंगना रनौत ने भी fairness screen के लिए थोड़ा सा you know
Right.
वो क्या, so how do you support that?
I totally support it because I feel God has made us in a certain way. भगवान ने जो हमें दिया है, be it a skin tone, be it a hair color, we do change our hair color also these days. But I think the way God has made you, you're beautiful, and you don't need to change anything about yourself, And usually, as an actress and as a model, I can tell you, dusky girls look beautiful on camera. And that's the fact. That's a fact. Any photographer will tell you that dusky girls look beautiful on camera. So you should definitely not have this obsession of being fair. Even though I'm fair, I don't think I'll ever endorse a fairness brand. No.
Lovely. And this is my personal question. I seriously wanted to ask you this. Like, what do you do for your skin? Like, how it's so flawless? Like, what do you really
No,
what is the...
I think I'm just blessed because I'm Bengali. We eat a lot of fish, so we are genuinely blessed with good skin and hair because my mom has great skin and hair. But we do have problems. It's not that we are flawless. Sometimes we do feel our skin is not feeling that great. But I think if you just drink a lot of water, eat healthy, exercise, sleep well, and meditate, these are just common things to have great skin and hair.
Okay, and we have seen you doing headstands as well, right?
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
I love doing
Yes. I love doing stunts, dude. I'm telling you, if I get an opportunity to do an action film and do my own stunts, I'm dying to do it. I will do all my stunts on my own. I love it. Yeah. I'm a daredevil.
Done. I think the tea is done.
Chai bhi ban gayi hai.
So thank you Kyra, thank you so much for taking out time for us और इतना अच्छा हमें इतना अच्छा treatment देने के लिए, and you were fabulous and we had so much of fun with you, like you're so fun, and yeah, the tea is damn tasty.
I hope so. Chai achhi bani hai. See?
Yeah, it's very tasty.
Thank you so much Filmy Mantra. Thank you for coming over. I hope you had a great time because I had a blast.
Cheers. Cheers guys. Thank you. Bye bye.
What was it?
Oh, sorry. It's all right.
ये देखो मैंने चाय बनाई है. Are you still recording?
कॉर्पर करना है क्या?
Actually अच्छी बनी है.
मिस कर दी.
Actually अच्छी बनी है. Yahoo!